Today, Alex and I got Dave's Hot Chicken.
Yes, sir. We at the Rockville location.
Yeah, the other location ran out of mozzarella sticks, and we got them motherfuckers. Can you take a good look at that? Wow.
Medium level, Dave's Hot mozzarella sticks. Cheers. Damn, bro.
Oh my God.
Honestly,
Hell yeah.
these ones are good.
Hell yeah.
Look at that. Oh, they got the recipe from Chili's.
These aren't as wet, and like the flavor kind of hit more. I ain't gonna lie.
With some sauce.
I've never had Dave's in so long. Yeah. Hey, hold on. How long ago we got? Ah, damn. Motherfucker. Phenomenal.
Yeah, I'm speechless.
Phenomenal. Top loaded buffalo mac.
Cheers.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
They're not playing over here, bro.
Who's Dave? Dave,
Dave, who are you, bro?
he don't miss, bro. Hold that, John. Brother. Beautiful.
2 sliders fries, $14.99. Cheers. Gotta say the best for last. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Look at that, beautiful.
Pretty bad behavior, man. We out.